Hey everyone, today I want to give you a quick tutorial on how to order a large batch of images for print from qprints.com. This batch that we'll be ordering has not been cropped yet, so I'm going to show you two different ways that we can crop the images using the simple order system. Let's get started. To begin, we're going to click Order Now, and we're going to launch the simple order system here. Once the simple order system is launched, we're going to click where it says Order Now on Luster Prints, and this is going to pull up a series of options of different sizes that we have to choose from. For this example, I'm going to do a 10 by 10 luster, and you can see here in the center of the page we have the option to click to add the image, and over on the right hand side we can click to load multiple images. For this example, I'm going to go ahead and just load an entire gallery, so I'm going to click and Control A to select all, and then click Open. There we go. And from here I can manually drag and drop each image into the position, and I can readjust it. If I need to zoom in, I can use the scroll wheel on the mouse to get it centered just the way I like it, and then click Add to Cart. And it shows over here on the right hand side that I've used this image once, and so now I'm just going to continue through. You can go through and manually drag and drop each print one by one, and this is a somewhat efficient way if you're doing a smaller quantity. However, we think that there's a faster way to order this as well, which I'm going to show you now using the batch order system. For this, we're going to be doing a batch order of luster prints, so we'll click right here, and we're going to do a size 10 by 10. Now for the purpose of this example, I've already got this batch of images preloaded. We're going to select all of them and click Open. Now all of these images have not been cropped to a 10 by 10 proportion yet, so that's what we're going to do now inside the shopping cart. On the left hand side you can see thumbnails of all of the images. Sometimes if the thumbnail doesn't appear, you can just click and it will show up. This thumbnail, however, does not illustrate the actual cropping of the image. It just shows the file that you've uploaded. You can see here there's a note that says you have 47 uncropped images. It also shows us this little icon which lets us know that this image has not been inspected or cropped yet. So let's go ahead and begin inspecting and cropping our images. We're going to click the pencil button here, and we can use either the mouse to drag the image up and down. We can also zoom in and out. So I'm just going to go ahead and center that crop, and then I'm going to use the right arrow key to switch to the next image. And once more, I can easily click and drag until I get the image set where I want it. We're going to go through and check all the images. One thing you want to make sure of is that you're not advancing frames too quickly, because if you're going through and not giving the images a chance to load, you can cause the site to freeze up, and it'll cause a big problem. So just be careful to not be scanning full speed. You see right there, that's what we don't want to do. So, as we go through, selecting images one by one and making sure the crop looks good, just like that. You can see up here in the top left, it shows what number we're editing out of the entire batch. And so of the 47 images, we've made it through 21 so far. And this will keep track and help us kind of know how much longer we have to go until we've finished cropping all of our images. All right. Now there's a little pop-up that says this is the last image in your cart, so we can go ahead and finish cropping it, and we'll click Update Cart. Now all of the, let's see, looks like almost all, looks like this one image has not been cropped yet, so actually let's go ahead and just double check that real quick. There we go. Now we'll update cart. Okay, now the banner has disappeared, so all of our images have been cropped. All that's left to do is check out. So we're going to go ahead and just put in our shipping and payment information here, and we will be all set. Now while we were working on cropping the images, the website was uploading the images in the background. So in this case, there's just a few more that have yet to be uploaded until our order is complete. Oftentimes, the images will completely upload in the background before you even complete your order, which is pretty awesome. We hope this video was helpful in showing you how to quickly and easily order and crop prints through qprints.com's simple order system. If you have any questions, please put them in the comments below. Thanks again.